Okay, guys, now I'll show you how to install Arduino software to learn the drone coding. So I believe you have this thumb drive from iDrone box, right? So just plug this in your computer and you can hear sound, right? And go to the thumb drive folder in iDrone USB and go into this folder and you can find the software called Arduino 1.8.5 window, right? Why don't you double click this one to install this software in your computer? So you must have administrator privilege to install this software into your computer. And click yes, and click I agree, and click next. Just click default value. It shouldn't be a problem, right? So click install, and let's wait and see. It is working right now. It takes time, I guess. If your computer is faster than mine, it won't take so long, you know. So we'll see. Okay. Yeah, once you see this message, you must install this driver, okay? Just click install. And one more time, click install. You need this driver device, okay? So now you see the message say completed, and then you can close this one. And once you've done that, why don't you just click Arduino icon in here to open software. Just click this one, double click this one, and you see another message, right? So at this time, you can just simply click no, because we don't need to use update version at the moment. But this one, when you see this message, you have to click access, allow access, right? So click that, and now you are ready to go. Okay.